Hello all, in this video give an introduction to Hadoop concepts. Here you will find why Hadoop is must for the data scientist. Here is the overview of the Hadoop concepts. Currently data is increasing at an exponential rate. There is a huge demand for processing a high volume of data. One such technology that is responsible for processing large volumes of data is Hadoop. Here is what exactly Hadoop means. What is Hadoop? Apache Hadoop is an open source software that facilitates a network of computers to solve problems that require massive data sets and computation power. Hadoop is highly scalable, that is designed to accommodate computation ranging from a single server to a cluster of thousands of machines, while Hadoop is written in Java. So you can perform in Hadoop using multiple languages like Python, C++, Perl, Ruby, etc. The concepts of big data like MapReduce model that widespreads the phenomenon and process the big data. So let's understand why we use Hadoop. Nowadays, various companies collect data posted online. This unstructured data found on websites like Facebook, Instagram, emails, etc. comprise big data. Big data demands a cost-effective, innovative solution to store and analyze it. Hadoop is the answer to all big data requirements. So let's explore why Hadoop is so important. The first thing is managing the big data. As we are living in the digital era, there is a data explosion. The data is getting generated at a very high speed and high volume. So there is an increasing need to manage this big data. Then the exponential growth of big data market. So as the market for big data grows, there will be a rising need for big data technologies. Hadoop forms the base of many big data technologies. The new technologies like Apache Spark and Flink work well over Hadoop. As it is an in-demand big data technology, there is a need to master Hadoop. As the requirements for Hadoop professionals are increasing, this makes it a must to learn technology. Then third one is lack of Hadoop professionals. As we have seen, the Hadoop market is continuously growing to create more job opportunities every day. Most of these Hadoop job opportunities remain vacant due to unavailability of the required skills. So this is the right time to show your talent in big data by mastering the technology before it's too late. Become a Hadoop expert and gives boost to your career. Hadoop for all. Professionals from various streams can easily learn Hadoop and become master of it to get high paid jobs. IT professionals can easily learn MapReduce programming in Java or Python. Those who know scripting can work on Hadoop ecosystem component named Pig. Hive or Drill is very easy for those who know to the script. Hadoop is the robust ecosystem, so which serves a wide variety of organizations. Organizations like web startups, telecoms, financial and so on are needing Hadoop to answer their business needs. Hadoop ecosystem contains many components like MapReduce, Hive, HBase, Zookeeper, Apache Pig, etc. These components are able to serve a broad spectrum of applications. Then the research tool. Hadoop has come up as a powerful research tool. It allows an organization to find answers to their business questions. Hadoop helps them in research and development work. Companies use it to perform the analysis. They use this analysis to develop a rapport with the customer. Applying the big data techniques improve operational effectiveness and efficiencies of generating great revenue in business. It brings a better understanding of the business value and develops the business growth. Ease of use. Creators of Hadoop have written it in Java, which has the biggest developer community. Therefore, it is easy to adopt by programmers. You can have the flexibility of programming in other languages too, like C, C++, Python, Perl, Ruby. If you are familiar with SQL, it is easy to use Hive. So if you are okay with scripting, then Pig is for you. Hadoop is omnipresent. There is no industry where big data has not reached. Big data has covered almost all domains like healthcare, retail, government, banking, media, transportation, natural resources and so on. We can see The people are increasingly becoming data aware. This means they are realizing the power of data. Hadoop is a framework which can harness this power of data to improve the business. Higher salaries. In the current scenario, there is a gap between demand and supply of big data professional. The gap is increasing every day. A maturing technology. Hadoop is evolving with time. The new version of Hadoop, that is Hadoop 3.0, is coming into the market. It has already collaborated with Hortonworks, Tableau, MapR, and even BI experts to name a few. New actors like Spark, Flink, etc. are coming on the big data stage. These technologies promise the lightning speed of processing. So better scope. Hadoop excels in processing a wide variety of data. We have various components of Hadoop ecosystem providing batch processing, stream processing, machine learning, and so on. Learning, it will open gates to a variety of job roles like big data architect, Hadoop developer, data scientist, Hadoop administrator, and data analyst. So next we move on to the applications of Hadoop. The applications of Hadoop are: first is website tracking. Suppose you have created a website, want to know about visitors' details. So Hadoop will capture a massive amount of data about this. It will give information about the location of the visitor, which page visitor visited first and most, how much time spent on the website and on which page, how many times a visitor has visited page, what visitor like most about. This will provide predictive analysis of visitors' interest. Website performance will predict what would be users' interest. Hadoop accepts data in multiple formats from multiple sources. Apache Hive will be used to process millions of data. Then second one is geographical data. When we buy products from an e-commerce website, the website will track the location of the user, predict customer purchases using smartphones, tablets. Hadoop cluster will help to figure out business into geolocation. This will help the industries to show the business graph in each area, that is positive or negative. Then the retail industry. Retailers will use data of customers which is present in the structured and unstructured format to understand, analyze the data. This will help a user to understand customer requirements and serve them with better benefits and improved services. In financial industry, and financial companies will assess the financial risk, market value, and build the model which will give customers and industry better results in terms of investment like stock market, FD, etc. Understand the trading algorithm. Hadoop will run the build model. Healthcare industry. Hadoop can store large amounts of data. Medical data is present in an unstructured format. This will help the doctor for a better diagnosis. Hadoop will store a patient medical history for more than 1 year. So we will analyze the symptoms of the disease. Then last is the digital marketing. We are in the era of 20s. Every single person is connected digitally. Information is reached to the user over mobile phones or laptops, and people get aware of every single detail about news, products, etc. Hadoop will store massively online generated data, store and analyze and provide the result to the digital marketing companies. Then we understand the features of Hadoop. What are all the features of Hadoop? It is first, cost effective. Hadoop does not require any specialized or effective hardware to implement it. It can be implemented on a simple hardware which is known as community hardware. Second most is the large cluster of nodes. A cluster can be made up of hundreds or thousands of nodes. The benefit of having a large cluster is it offers more computing power and a huge storage system to the clients. Then it processes parallel. Data can be processed simultaneously across all the clusters, and this process will save a lot of time. The traditional system was not able to do this task. Distributed data. Hadoop framework takes care of splitting and distributing the data across all the nodes within a cluster. It replicates data over all the clusters. The replication of factor is 3. Automatic failure management. Suppose if any of the nodes within a cluster fails, the Hadoop framework will replace the failure machine with a new machine. So replication settings on the old machine are shifted to the new machine automatically. Admin does not need to worry about it. Data locality optimization. Suppose the programmer needs data of node from a database which is located at a different location. The programmer will send a byte of code to the database. It will save bandwidth and time. Heterogeneous cluster. It has different nodes supporting different machines with different versions. IBM machine is supporting Red Hat Linux. So last one is the scalability. Adding or removing nodes and adding or removing hardware components to or from the cluster, we can perform this task without disturbing cluster operation. RAM or hard drive can be added or removed from the cluster. In the next session, we have to come up with the advantages of Hadoop and the implementations and Hadoop version.